In retail, one of the things most people don't know is about 1% of all traffic turns out to be bad, but retailers turn away about 10 to 15% of their traffic to be able to protect that 1%. And if you translate that to a physical store experience, that's like turning away, for every 10 new users that come into your store, you turn away one good user. And that's a pretty big problem if you're doing that online, because at scale, that's a lot of lost revenue. And so the most valuable application from an AI perspective is to help retailers leverage the power of data to identify what is good and what is bad, and identify the level of friction you want to put, if any, to be able to let a particular transaction through. And sort of that's where we apply at Signify the ability to tell them that, but also the innovation around offering them a complete liability protection or a guarantee on that is the icing on the cake.